Hello. How to lift load with unknown weight by cranes. So it's strictly not allowed to lift load if the weight is not known. For a simple reason, if you don't know the weight of the load, this means it may be heavy enough to exceed crane lifting capacity. So it's mandatory to look for information on the load or any reference for load weight. We can find out prior lifting. If not found, then it's preferable to make engineering calculations where possible. So there may be simple methods to calculate the load weight. Firstly, every material has density matrix where it shows, for example, for 1 cubic meter, for example, concrete is 2,400 kilos, or still metal is 7,850 kilos, for example. So all these information is available in the resources, so you can find out which material is as per the density, the weight of the material. Then afterwards you can actually find out what materials is the load consists of. At the size dimensions you can calculate the weight of the load, and then it's really easy to find out what the load weight is. So preparing this type of calculation, and of course depending on the shapes and maybe combined materials, so all these elements needs to be considered. So we don't lift loads if we don't know the weight, and we try all the different methods to find out the load weight to do the lifting safely. Thank you for now, and see you on next videos.